This video shows how the KBS fuel tank sealer kit can restore your rusty fuel tank from this to this. Part of the KBS gas tank restoration procedure, KBS Klean was used to clean the inside of the tank. The Klean was allowed to soak for about 3 hours while frequently sloshing it around the tank. A piece of chain was added as an agitator to help remove loose and flaking rust. The tank was then drained and rinsed with hot water. Next, RustBlast was poured in and allowed to soak for about 3 hours to remove any remaining rust and to etch the metal for the best surface for KBS tank sealer. The tank was then rinsed and allowed to thoroughly dry. The final step is KBS tank sealer, which is poured into the tank. Openings in the tank are sealed with duct tape. The tank is then rotated to completely coat the inside with sealant. The tape is then removed, and the tank is thoroughly drained. The remaining coat of sealant is left to cure. This scope shows the beautiful results. The tank is now ready for use. To learn more about the KBS fuel tank sealer system and to see pricing, click the link in the upper right of the screen.